We're back now with Dr. Darien, taking a look at some of the questions that you are asking at home. And here's one from David S. He's asking, when should someone ask to have their blood test repeated?
Good question. It can feel intimidating sometimes. You get that result back and you just want to double check. And I always encourage patients, that's okay. If you find that the number is very abnormal or different from the last number, or if that test result is going to lead to another intervention, for example, a medication or a procedure, you should most certainly repeat it. So it's completely okay to ask if it's different or if it's going to make you do something new.
Your prescription for wellness.
We're going to talk about thyroid, whether it's too high or whether it's too low. Hyperthyroid or hypothyroid, here are some symptoms that we all can pay attention to that might signal we should check our thyroid numbers. For example, weight changes. And weight gain can be a sign of low thyroid. Weight loss can be a sign of high thyroid. So if you have those changes and you're not working out to do them, you might want to check. Also, thinning hair can be a sign of both abnormalities, whether it's too high or too low, and then change in bowel patterns. A low thyroid can lead to constipation. A high thyroid can lead you to making more frequent trips to the bathroom. And emotional states, depression and anxiety. I always talk to patients about this. If you are just starting treatment or getting a diagnosis of these conditions, it is so important to screen yourself for thyroid function testing to make sure that there's not a biological reason for why you're feeling that way.
So is there a certain age that you should be asking your doctor about thyroids, or is it something you get checked all the time?
I'm so happy that you asked that because there's no general recommended specific age for screening, so we go off of symptoms, which is why it's so important that you know what the symptoms are so that you can start the conversation.
All right, Doc, thank you. We appreciate it. And folks, we would love to hear from you, so please hit us up on Instagram with all of your medical questions for Dr. Darien at ABC GMA3.